In her inaugural address as Uachtaráin in St Patrick's Hall here in Dublin Castle, President Catherine Connolly set out the themes and tone for her presidency. And for the political leaders gathered, she left them in no doubt that she will use her voice to speak out on global and domestic issues. Her speech touched on issues around housing, a lack of services, a united Ireland, the Irish language, and in particular on the issue of Irish neutrality. She sought to cast herself as something of a political outsider, saying that during her campaign she was seen as too left, too out there and too at odds with the prevailing political narrative. On housing, she said that a home is a fundamental right for everyone. She used her part of the speech off Gaeilge to say that there was a lack of services for ordinary people. And with a number of former Taoiseach by her side, she spoke about the reverberations of the financial crash, saying they're still being felt across the country. But it was on the issue of neutrality where she was most pointed. While she didn't mention the European Union in her speech or the EU's seeking to bolster its defence capabilities, she did say that neutrality is something loved and cherished by the Irish people. And she said that the normalisation of war and genocide is something that has never been acceptable to this sovereign nation. In a nod to Sinn Féin, which supported her candidacy, she spoke about unity and she said there is a firm wish to have united Ireland. She said her first visit would be to the north, where she will meet with all communities. Her most positive message was around the Irish language and what she called the spirit of the country as expressed through music and dance. In all, this inaugural address was seen as political and signalling a presidency which won't shy away from difficult topics and which could inspire a cultural revival.